Welcome to the future of finance, where AI agents are changing the game.
That's right, Alex. AI agents aren't just sci-fi anymore. They're here, and they're helping us make smarter money decisions every day.
But what exactly are AI agents, and how can they help you? Let's break it down.
AI agents are like your personal financial assistants, powered by artificial intelligence. They analyze data, spot trends, and make predictions, all in real time.
Think of them as super smart helpers that never sleep. They can manage your investments, track your spending, and even warn you about risks.
And they don't even need coffee breaks.
In finance, AI agents can do everything from managing your portfolio to detecting fraud.
For example, they can analyze millions of data points to predict market trends, helping you make better investment decisions.
They can also automate repetitive tasks, like paying bills or rebalancing your portfolio, so you can focus on the big picture.
And the best part? They learn and improve over time, so they get better at helping you. AI agents aren't just for Wall Street, they're for everyone. They can help you budget, save for retirement, or even plan for a big purchase.
Imagine having a financial advisor in your pocket, available 24/7, without the hefty fees.
And they're not just smart, they're secure. Your data is protected with advanced encryption, so you can trust them with your finances.
So, are you ready to embrace the future of finance?
Sign up now for more insights on AI, finance, and how you can retire early.
Your smart money journey starts here. Let's go.